Let's talk about how to revive your YouTube channel. Bring it back to life. You do not want to miss this. So the first way to revive your YouTube channel, create your next video with purpose and on purpose. Look around, you can do some research and find out what are viewers actually looking for. Is there anything that's trending right now? We're gonna do it on purpose with the purpose, finding it for those viewers. What helped me in my journey is to just create a strategy. What's trending? Is there a certain strategy that I could put together? Develop a plan for your journey. So keep that in mind. We're gonna create our next video with purpose and on purpose. And I'm gonna give you a few pointers on that coming up in a minute. But a lot of people, when they have a YouTube channel, what happens is they maybe get burnt out, maybe they get tired of it, or just frustrated by not having the results that we have, and they really don't know what to do. And so I got to that point in my life and I said, you know what? I started researching. I started watching other YouTube channels. I started watching to see what they were able to do. I started putting strategies in place. So this is a powerful way, just one powerful way to bring your channel back to life and give it that life that you know it deserves. And there are some power tactics that we could use when it comes to creating that next video. So when you get ready to create your next video, keep these three things in mind. Ask yourself three questions. Number one, is this video something that people are searching for? The internet, the World Wide Web, Google and YouTube is one of the number one search engines on the internet. So that's the first question. Is this something that someone's searching for on YouTube? The second question to ask yourself is this something that excites me? Because if I'm not excited about it, trust me, that nobody else is going to be excited about it, right? I had to be excited. So you got to be excited about it. It's got to be something that's really exciting to you. So that's the second question you want to ask yourself. Is this something that excites me? Is this something I'm interested in? And the third question to ask, is this something that I could do for the long term? Some of you watching this right now, you're in this thing for the long journey. Maybe you want to become full-time on YouTube. Can I do this for the long term? Because long-term progress leads to long-term success. And people like to talk about the shine, right? But they never see that grind. They never see the time that you put into it. So keep that in mind when you create that next video. Create your next video with purpose and on purpose, using those three questions. People won't tell you that. Most people won't tell you that. That's so important because your audience is going to be looking out for that. This is a powerful way to revive your YouTube channel. Bring it back to life. Think about that next video. Your next video, you're gonna create it on purpose and with purpose. You could just be one video away from your success on the platform. And the second powerful way to revive your channel, get right into the content as if nothing has happened. Your viewers, they have so many different choices. Online, they chose your channel. Don't waste their time. YouTube has given us this opportunity to expand, to grow, and to share our gifts. And a lot of your viewers, they really don't care where you've been. They're just happy to see you again. So get right into it. When I relaunched my channel, I came back explaining things, asking people to subscribe, even before they even got a chance to know what my channel is about. And from my experience, never ask someone to subscribe to your channel before you give them value. So you want to get right into it. Most of your viewers are probably subscribers to your channel that the YouTube system has realized enjoy your content. Get right into the content. Maybe once your video is coming to an end, you've already given them the content that they were looking for. That would be a great time to maybe let them know where you've been. If you want to do it, that's where I would do it. But from my experience along my journey, even when I'm watching videos and I click into a video and someone's doing a lot of explaining, it kind of turns away. It turns viewers away. So keep that in mind. Get right into your content. You can explain that later, maybe in a live stream. We'll talk more about that coming up in a minute. And by the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Stay inspired and empowered with us together. We'd love to have you here at Next Level. And the third way to revive your YouTube channel, bring it back to life, is to think about what's one thing that I could do to keep my life in my channel. What's one thing that you could do? One thing that you could do. Maybe you could go live for a change. The one thing that I did is I decided to live stream a few things. And another thing that I did, I decided to add another camera to my setup. I said, you know, it's not perfect yet, but it's something that I could do different, right? Bringing it back to life, doing something different. And for you, it may be something else. Keep in mind, not everything that works for one channel is necessarily going to work for all channels. Your unique situation, your personal, your own personality, all those things are coming in play. So as you continue to bring your channel to life, just think about that one thing. What's one thing that I could do that maybe I haven't done yet? Something different that I could add into my videos, always keeping that unique personality, one thing that I can do to give life to it. And another thing to keep in mind, this is what has helped me, is to learn something. Every video I want to be just 1% better than the last. Maybe it's my lighting, it's something that I could do to create that one thing. Maybe it's my audio, that one thing I could do for my audio to create a better experience for my channel. This is a powerful way to revive your YouTube channel, bring it back to life. One thing I can do that I haven't done yet. Anything to advance, take it to that next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. Next level mindset. That's where it's at. Now, got some extra bonus points, a power tip that I want to share with you. But first, before we do that, I'll tell you about Creator Mix, copyright-free music for all content creators. I've been using them for a while, and they have a great variety of music, different varieties of music, free of charge. So check out Creator Mix. Go to their YouTube channel, subscribe there. Go to creatormix.com, create a free account, start downloading their music, use it in your videos, use it in your live streams, or just listen behind the scenes. So a big thank you to Nick Nimmin and D Nimmin over at Creator Mix. They're not sponsoring this video, but if you choose to use them, just tell them Stevon told you about it. If you've enjoyed this so far and it's giving you value, do me a favor and hit that like button. That would be a great way to help this video get out to as many people as we can. I appreciate it. Thank you. So this first bonus point that I want to share with you deals with the idea of giving up. A lot of us go through things, and a lot of you watching right now, maybe your channel is not growing because you had to take that break. I want to encourage you. Big shout out to Deacon Easily. He gave me this one. He says, when I wanted to give up, God told me to get up. I want to encourage you. Don't give up. Now, if you've fallen down, you can get back up, get back going again. And that's part of the reason for creating this video. I said, you know what? I can share my experience on how I've been able to restart. So many things that others can learn from me, that if I could do it, you can too. And one of my goals as an inspirational speaker is to share my insights. I love to use affirmations. Next Level Mindset for affirmations. You can use affirmations to encourage yourself on your journey with your channel. As a matter of fact, I talk about one in my book, Still Destined for Greatness. Talk about using affirmations, but I also talk about how we have to use them with feelings and emotions. Check this out. Affirmations with certainty and with emotions, it's where your total physiology begins to line up with what you're saying, right? You begin to feel it. You will hold your head up and keep your back straight. You begin to walk with boldness and confidence, knowing that all is well. Something great is happening within. And I go deeper into that with my book, Still Destined for Greatness. I would love for you to grab a copy of that and take it home with you with that link in the description. And maybe using affirmations is something new for you. So if so, that'll be a great place. I've got several videos on my channel right now using affirmations that will encourage you. And another thing, a lot of people ask, well, when I finally come back, what's the first video that I should record? This is what you can do. Go onto your YouTube channel. Go into the back area, right, where you find your analytics, your dashboard. Click into analytics. Once you click into that analytics area, you're going to find your top videos for the last 28 days. It'll show you some dynamics. And if you would like to go deeper into analytics, let me know in the comments. Love to do that. One thing that has helped me, I didn't know about this. I wish somebody would have pointed this out for me when I first started my channel back. To check out your top videos in your last 28 days. Even though you've been away, those videos are still driving your channel. You want to make sure your next video is something in context with those videos, maybe in a certain topic. Now keep in mind, maybe you moved on from that subject, and if you've moved on from that topic and that's not interesting, maybe your next video could be something on a new subject, then you can ignore that part. But if you're still interested in that type of content, that would be a great way to make your next video something in line with what's already driving your traffic. And one problem that you're going to run into, you're going to be doing things on your channel and you're not really going to know, how am I really doing? You're not going to really know. You're probably doing better than you think. I want you to check out this video right here, giving you 5 signs that your channel is doing better than you probably think. I think that would be great for you to watch next. So check that out and enjoy it. Gotta show some love for my subscribers and returning viewers. You are the life of the channel. I appreciate you. Thanks again for watching. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.